What does it mean when you say, I'm going pro? What kinds of demands does a pro have for their gear? We live in a new age where the lines have been blurred as creatives. Nearly all photographers now shoot and produce videos for marketing or for client work. And videographers do the same with stills. Shouldn't we have pro lights that can help us do both? When I think of the gear that I use as a pro, I think of tools that are durable, have more features, lights that are powerful. I think of the gear that enables me to get nearly all of my work done without having to constantly switch out for another piece of gear. When you're ready to stop playing and start producing, that's the moment you're going pro. Pro versions of Rotolight's most popular lights are coming soon. Visit rotolight.com/Kickstarter to get in on the fun that starts October 18th.